Hey guys, sorry the other video was short. It's because my camera filming thing ran out, so but let's get on. Guys, if you I made a bubble somehow. Like it was so cool. I'm gonna try to do it again. Guys, I got like a bubble stuff. Oh, and by the way, if you hear stuff in the background, don't mind that. I've got inspired by the slime people that you should go ahead and check out and like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell button. Just saying. Nalia Tossell. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. But I love you're adding too much into slime series. It's so cool. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'll probably be doing more slime videos or adding too much into slime videos. guys. I'm gonna bring. Look. I made a bubble. If you can see it, that's amazing. All the bubble pop. But when I first got it, the lid had like some sort of things, and I thought it was just bumps, but no. And when I was first touching the slime, it wasn't sticky at this time. Probably because my hands were cold. I don't know. Actually, no, my hands were warm. It's just so satisfying, but sorry I can't get like the right angle because my mom isn't here to record. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna show you a life hack, kind of. If you have like some slime stuck to your table that you can't get off, sorry, just get a little piece of your slime and then